Welcome back to AI Verdict. So in today's explainer, our goal is actually pretty simple. We're going to walk through literally every major feature of Grok 4.3 beta to see if it's genuinely worth all the hype. Because, let's be honest, Grok 4.3 just dropped as xAI's flagship multimodal model, and man, there is a lot of noise out there right now. We're going to cut right through that noise, look at exactly how to use these new tools, and figure out what this actually means for your daily workflow.
Okay, let's dive into this, because this right here, this is the massive hook. Grok 4.3 beta originally launched as this super exclusive tool locked behind the Super Grok Heavy tier, which costs a whopping $300 a month. Obviously, that basically put it totally out of reach for most normal users. But here's the massive news. xAI is rolling it out to regular Super Grok members for just $30 a month, and that's happening within the next few weeks. That's a total game changer. But most people have absolutely no idea what they're actually about to get access to for that $30.
So before that broader rollout hits, here's our quick roadmap. We're going to look under the hood, dive into native document generation, check out vision and video, talk about controlling compute power, put it all together in the ultimate workflow, and finally wrap up with pricing and access. Let's just get right into it.
Section 1. Under the hood.
Now, to truly understand why Grok 4.3 is generating so much hype, we got to look past the interface. It was trained way longer than the previous version. Its knowledge is current all the way through December 2025, and get this, it boasts a staggering 2 million token context window. Right now, that is the largest context window of any Western AI model out there. And why does that actually matter to us? Well, it means you can drop in an entire book, or a months-long email thread, or even a massive feature-length video transcript, and the AI isn't going to lose the plot. It tracks every single detail. It's kind of like a quiet superpower for anyone doing heavy research.
Building on that insane memory, Grok 4.3 also keeps the 16-agent heavy architecture that carried over from the last version. And this is exactly what it sounds like. It's a system where 16 completely separate reasoning agents are coordinating on your prompt at the exact same time. It's pretty wild. That ensures massive reasoning power, making it incredibly reliable for those complex multi-step queries, strategic plans, and even generating coding scripts. Moving on to Section 2, Native Document Generation. Honestly, this right here is the headline feature. This is what transforms Grok from just a standard chatbot into a genuine digital coworker. Because you don't need to copy and paste text into external software anymore. No way. Grok just delivers the finished files directly inside the chat. So, say you need a report, just ask Grok and boom, it outputs a fully finished, downloadable PDF file. Or maybe you're staring at a blank presentation at 11 p.m. We've all been there, right? Ask for a 10-slide PowerPoint and it hands you a fully structured slide deck with all the titles and bullet points. Need to analyze Q1 sales? Ask for a spreadsheet and you get a populated file complete with rows, formulas, and even visual charts. It literally eliminates the need for all those extra tools. But as you know with all AI, the real secret to getting great deliverables is structuring your prompts. If you just throw in a vague prompt like write me a PDF, you're going to get a vague, unhelpful output. Instead, you got to tell the AI exactly what the document is, what it should include, and what the overall goal is. So, by using a structured prompt, something like draft a 5-slide PowerPoint introducing our startup idea, with 1 slide each for problem, solution, market traction, and ask, you're giving Grok the exact skeleton it needs. And you'll get a downloadable deck with the right bones already perfectly in place. And hey, speaking of structuring your workflows, if you are totally tired of your AI work just dying the second you close the chat window, you really need to know about our sponsor, Creo.ai. All you do is describe your workflow once in plain English, and Creo turns it into a permanent app. It writes the code, connects to tools like Google Sheets or Slack, and runs automatically without any of those annoying hallucinations. You literally just hit Create Agent, and it locks that workflow in forever. It's absolutely perfect for stuff like weekly reports or daily data polls. Definitely check them out using the link below. Okay, Section 3, Vision and Video. Building on those incredible document abilities, Grok 4.3 doesn't just process text. It introduces true multimodal capabilities that are honestly kind of mind-blowing. Grok can natively watch video content now. You can upload an MP4 file or simply paste a video URL, and Grok processes both the visual frames and the audio track at the exact same time. If you're a video creator, this is monumental. You can ask it to summarize scenes, list the specific actions happening in a clip, or pull out exact timestamps. Imagine just getting instant AI feedback on your video edit before you even hit publish, or auto-generating a detailed outline straight from your raw footage. That brings us to Section 4, controlling compute power. Because Grok was trained for so much longer and has this improved underlying reasoning, XAI actually lets you physically control the AI's brain power for each individual task. Right at the top of the chat, there's a drop-down menu with 3 options. So fast mode is your go-to for snappy, minimal reasoning replies, like, asking for the capital of France. Then there's expert mode, or big brain, which throws maximum compute at your prompt for complex math, coding, or multi-step plans. But honestly, my recommendation is to just leave it on auto for your daily use. Auto mode is this smart middle ground that automatically looks at your prompt and decides exactly how much compute power is actually necessary. It routes everything perfectly for speed and quality.
Section 5. The ultimate workflow.
Let's actually put this theory into practice. Imagine for a second you're a marketer and you're launching a brand new gadget. Here is how you can build your entire campaign in a single session. Step 1. You prompt Grok to create a PDF press release about the new gadget, and boom, it hands you a downloadable file. Step 2. You tell Grok to turn that exact press release into a PowerPoint pitch deck for investors. And right there, you've got structured slides ready to go. Step 3. You upload a 30-second demo video of the gadget and just ask Grok to analyze it. Grok literally watches it and pulls exact timestamps, like camera zoom shown at 008 or battery life mentioned at 015, so you can drop those straight into your marketing copy. That's 3 seamless prompts, 3 finished deliverables, all in one fluid workflow.
Finally, Section 6, pricing and access. So we've talked about all the amazing things Grok 4.3 can do, but let's do a quick reality check on XAI's slightly frustrating rollout strategy and what you actually need to know to get your hands on it. The crucial point here is this timeline. Right now, Grok 4.3 beta is exclusively locked to that $300 a month Super Grok Heavy power user tier. If you're on the standard $30 tier, the option is just sitting there grayed out, basically dangling right in front of you. But back in early April 2026, XAI ran a 3-day teaser demo that gave $30 users a little taste. Based on that, the broader rollout to the $30 tier is expected right around mid-May 2026, as the beta testing finally wraps up. And just to keep things completely impartial and hype-free, we absolutely have to mention the current limitations. Remember, Grok 4.3 is still very much a beta product. Crucially, long-term memory across sessions is completely missing from the public roadmap right now. So while it's absolutely brilliant inside a single chat, don't expect Grok to remember all your specific projects when you close the window and come back tomorrow.
And that pretty much wraps up our AI Verdicts deep dive into Grok 4.3 beta. The gap between this tool and the rest of the AI field when it comes to native document generation is very, very real. But I want to leave you with a question. If you need these types of deliverables, are you paying the $300 a month for the heavy tier right now, or are you holding out for the wider $30 rollout in mid-May? Let us know. And hey, if this explainer helped you understand what this massive update actually does, hit that like button and subscribe to AI Verdict for more honest, hype-free explainers. See you next time.